6:44 already. We're almost through this Saturday morning here.
Getting there, and today is probably the pick day of the weekend. Tomorrow, especially tomorrow morning, going to be quite wet. And I noticed yesterday the mosquitoes are thriving.
They are?
So,
you know, that makes sense because I actually heard one in my ear last night before I went to bed.
Well, there you go.
There it is. It's that time of year.
Bug spray would be a good thing to have this weekend, especially if you're going to be spending any time outside. Yeah. We'll start you with a live view this morning from Cape Porpoise, where there might be a little hint of sunshine coming through, but it's fairly gray and dull with all the lobster boats in port there this morning. I want to time out when the chances for rain will be highest this weekend. Overall, today is a dry day. A small chance for a shower in southern Maine, a place like Cape Porpoise this morning. But this afternoon should be in good shape before shower chances increase this evening and then really pick up overnight tonight. And tomorrow morning looks quite wet with pretty widespread rain. Today definitely the better of the two weekend days for that reason. This morning there are some showers exiting the north shore of Massachusetts. Most of Maine is dry, but there are some showers in central Vermont, central New Hampshire. Most of these so far have been struggling to make it over the border to places like Shapley or Leamington, but there may be a brief shower over the next couple of hours in southern parts of the state, and it will be quite cloudy too. Temperatures right now are in the 60s for the most part, 72 in Portsmouth, but much cooler and much drier air in northern Maine, down into the 50s in Holton and Caribou. That's where the dew point now has dropped down into the mid-50s. Very comfortable, almost refreshing air. It's still a little bit sticky in southern parts of the state, but a dew point in the lower 60s is nothing like the dew points in the 70s we had about 12 hours ago in southern parts of the state. So we do have a front that's set up over the northeast, some showers out ahead of it, and then this wave of low pressure with heavier rain will come in tomorrow morning, and that's why the second half of the weekend will be wetter. So today is mostly cloudy, sunniest weather to the north, highest chance for a shower over southern Maine. Temperatures in the lower half of the 70s in southern Maine, but getting to 80 in Bangor, 83 in Millinocket, and 82 in Caribou. So the best weather today will be in central and northern parts of the state. Tonight, cloudy with a few evening showers, but heavier rain moves in after midnight. Lows tonight in the 60s, a little bit sticky, but not crazy humid tonight. And then tomorrow is cloudy, cool, and wet. Periods of rain, heaviest of which will come through during the morning. And temperatures tomorrow only in the 60s for most of us. It will be drier, Millinocket north, and that's really where the best weather is this weekend. We'll get to around 80 in Caribou tomorrow. Hour by hour this morning, a brief shower possible, but for the most part today is going to be dry with maybe some breaks of sun, but more clouds than sun through the day for sure. This is 8 o'clock this evening. At that point, we're dry through most of Maine, but the next round of rain getting to move into New Hampshire. By midnight, a couple of showers over southern Maine, and then by this time tomorrow morning, look at how the rain fills in. I think it's quite wet in central and southern Maine by sunrise tomorrow morning, and then that heavier rain lifts into eastern and down east Maine during the morning. So pretty wet most places through the day tomorrow. During the afternoon, this will start to lighten up over southern Maine, so 3-4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon will be much better there, but we'll keep the showers going in central and eastern parts of the state into tomorrow evening. Potential is there for more than an inch of rain as all of this comes through too. If you're wondering, is there any hope for a change? Not really. This is a pretty dreadful weather pattern if you like summer weather. Jet stream to our south, keeping it cool with showers rotating around it. Seas today 2 to 3 feet with a northeast wind coming in 5 to 10 knots. So mostly cloudy today. Big range in temperature, 80s north of Bangor, 70s everywhere else. Cloudy, cool, wet with periods of rain tomorrow in the 60s. Breaks of sun on Monday, just a chance for a shower, definitely a better day. Tuesday actually looks pretty good. Some sun, chance for a late day thunderstorm. Cloudier with showers on Wednesday. We'll probably have to wait for Thursday to have another completely dry day with hopefully some more sunshine too. So,
well, lots of time to relax in there, I guess.
Keep the umbrella nearby.
All right. Thanks, Ryan. Yep.